Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to get money from stocks on Cash App. Cash App is a full-service banking and investing app. You have your cash balance, savings, Bitcoin and stocks all in one place. You can also do your taxes, use a Cash App card to spend your balance, make peer-to-peer payments and get discounts. But today, I'll focus on how to sell your stocks and get your money out of them. First, open the Cash App and go to the home screen where you'll see your cash balance at the top. Take note of the amount in your cash balance. Now, scroll down to the Stocks section. Here, you'll see the total value of your stocks. In my case, I have $41.60 worth of stocks. Think of stocks like items you buy, hold on to, and can sell later. Selling stocks works the same way as selling an item. For example, let's say you bought a jacket, used it for a few years, and now you want to sell it to get some money back. That's the same process you follow with stocks. To sell a stock, tap on the stock you want to sell. For this example, I'll select Roblox. You can see that I own $1.36 of this stock. If you own more, the process is the same. Tap the Sell button. Cash App will scan your face to verify your identity, and then it will show you your options and some details about the stock. Keep in mind that the stock market only operates on weekdays, so if it's the weekend, like in my case, you'll have the option to schedule your sale for Monday morning. If it's Monday through Friday during market hours, you can complete the sale right away. Tap Sell and go through the process. For this example, after fees, I would get $1.34 from selling this stock. Once you complete the sale, the money will appear in your cash balance. After selling the stock, if I sold all my stocks, the total amount would now reflect in my cash balance. From here, you can decide what to do with the money. You can withdraw it to your bank by tapping the Withdraw button at the top. Select the amount you want to withdraw or type in a specific amount and tap Withdraw at the bottom of the screen. The money will transfer to your bank within a few days. If you don't want to send the money to your bank, you have other options. You can transfer the money into your Cash App savings account where you can earn up to 4% interest. The interest is paid out monthly. For example, if you save consistently, Cash App will automatically pay you interest on the first of each month. You can also use the money to buy Bitcoin or invest in other stocks. If you have the Cash App card, a physical card sent to you in the mail, you can use it to spend your cash balance like a regular debit card. Or you can send the money to another Cash App user through peer-to-peer payments. I have tutorials for all these features on my channel, so feel free to check them out if you want to learn how to do more. That's it. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.